am attending the faculty develop program which is depends upon the Moodle, and I am solving this assignment 1. In that assignment 1, the 1/4 part of this video has to be uploaded here, and I have to upload the site of the YouTube's link of this video on the assignment submission option. Now overview about Moodle. Speaker already explained about this, the learning objectives of Moodle, who can use this software, how to install this software and requirement to install this software also. Now what are the learning objectives that already discussed the speaker? We can understand the concept of learning management system, that is LMS we can say. We will also learn about the software and hardware requirement to run this Moodle. Then LMS helps to create, manage, and any e-learning content like educational courses, training programs. Then we can manage these courses by creating and editing the contents, giving access to student, grading their submission. What is Moodle? That speaker is already explained. Moodle is a respective, free and open source software. It is one of the most popular learning management system used globally for educational institute. Its security control keeps our data safe and protected. It has very powerful feature that empower both teachers and learners. Also provide detailed documentation which makes it easy to use. It also helps in collaborative as well as personalized learning forum peer assessment. Moodle can also be used in educational institutes like universities, colleges, schools, and coaching institutions. Business for employees training and orientation. It also can be used in hospital and any e-learning program. Now how to install this Moodle? Speaker already told us. For the installation of Moodle, we need some software and hardware. Softwares are Apache web server, database like MySQL, MariaDB or Personal, and 3 PHP. Hardwares are disk space of 200 MB is needed, that is minimum requirement, but more than 200 MB is recommended. 5 GB is the realistic minimum. Then processor of 1 GHz but 2 gigabyte, dual cores minimum recommended. Memory 512 megabyte minimum, but 1 GB is recommended. And Moodle 3.3 is the latest stable version, we can use this. Now what are the requirements of Moodle 3.3? We also understood Apache 2.x or its higher version, MariaDB database 5.5.30 or its higher version, PHP 5.4.4 or its higher version. For this operating system and software use, Ubuntu Linux operating system, that is 16.04 is used. Apache, Maria database and PHP obtained from the XAMPP 5.6.3 and Moodle 3.3. Moodle 3.3 can be assessed by two masters, that is the site administrator and the teachers. Site administrator control the software or release the instruction on that software as per the institution's guideline, and the teacher can upload the assignments or the test or any useful data to students and communicate with the student. Now I will upload this on the YouTube, and after that I will also submit its link